The importance of setting reminders. Setting reminders is a simple yet effective way to stay organized, manage time, and increase productivity. Reminders can be used for a variety of tasks, from appointments and meetings to medication schedules and deadlines. In this article, we'll explore the importance of setting reminders, the benefits of using reminders, and strategies for setting effective reminders. Why setting reminders is important. Setting reminders is important for several reasons. 1. Improved organization. Reminders can help individuals stay organized and keep track of multiple tasks and appointments. 2. Increased productivity. Reminders can help individuals prioritize tasks and manage their time more effectively. 3. Reduced stress. Reminders can help reduce stress and anxiety by ensuring that individuals are prepared for upcoming events or deadlines. 4. Improved memory. Reminders can help individuals remember important tasks and appointments, reducing the likelihood of forgetfulness. Benefits of using reminders. Using reminders can have several benefits, including 1. Increased punctuality. Reminders can help individuals arrive on time for appointments and meetings. 2. Improved time management. Reminders can help individuals prioritize tasks and manage their time more effectively. 3. Reduced errors. Reminders can help individuals avoid mistakes and errors by ensuring that they complete tasks correctly. 4. Increased productivity. Reminders can help individuals stay focused and motivated, increasing their productivity and efficiency. Strategies for setting effective reminders. Setting effective reminders requires a few simple strategies, including 1. Using multiple reminders. Using multiple reminders can help ensure that individuals remember important tasks and appointments. 2. Setting reminders in advance. Setting reminders in advance can help individuals prepare for upcoming events or deadlines. 3. Using technology. Using technology, such as alarms or apps, can help individuals set reminders and stay organized. 4. Reviewing and updating reminders. Reviewing and updating reminders regularly can help individuals stay on track and ensure that their reminders are accurate. Types of reminders. There are several types of reminders that individuals can use, including 1. Alarms. Alarms can be used to remind individuals of upcoming events or deadlines. 2. Calendars. Calendars can be used to keep track of appointments and meetings. 3. To-do lists. To-do lists can be used to prioritize tasks and manage time. 4. Mobile apps. Mobile apps can be used to set reminders and stay organized. Conclusion. Setting reminders is a simple yet effective way to stay organized, manage time, and increase productivity. By understanding the importance of setting reminders and using strategies to set effective reminders, individuals can stay on track and achieve their goals. Whether using alarms, calendars, to-do lists, or mobile apps, reminders can help individuals stay focused and motivated, increasing their productivity and efficiency. Recommendations. If you're looking to improve your productivity and stay organized, here are some recommendations. 1. Use multiple reminders. Use multiple reminders to ensure that you remember important tasks and appointments. 2. Set reminders in advance. Set reminders in advance to prepare for upcoming events or deadlines. 3. Use technology. Use technology, such as alarms or apps, to set reminders and stay organized. 4. Review and update reminders. Review and update reminders regularly to stay on track and ensure that your reminders are accurate.